So I recently started taking two supplements. Let's see, the first one is called Tongkat Ali. You can see right here, Tongkat Ali. I take 200 milligrams, which is one capsule per day of this one. And then I also started taking, I've been on this for about a day and a half, Turkesterone. I take 2 capsules a day. And let's see, it's 250 each capsule, so around 500 milligrams per day. So let's start with this one. So the first Tongkat Ali, I've been on it for around like 7 to 8 days, and I only took off one day because they said you have to cycle it. I don't really see a reason why you have to cycle it, but I just ended up doing it just in case. From this one, what I noticed is you get a lot more energy throughout the day. In terms of increase in libido, I didn't really feel anything more than probably like 10% of it, maybe like 15% maximum. What I did notice on this is a good amount of sustained energy. It's equivalent to almost like taking an extended release caffeine tablet for 24 hours. One thing I will note about this is you do get insomnia the first day. From the first day I took it, I was having trouble sleeping. I could not sleep. I had to take melatonin, and even with melatonin, I was still having trouble sleeping. But the good thing about this, I did notice, is I wasn't taking it myself for stress relief or anxiety. I was just taking it for the testosterone benefits. But I did notice that the stress effects were significant. I really thought it de-stressed me, and the mood elevation. That was a big one I noticed. I've been in a great mood for about 8 days now that I've been on this, and usually my mood plateaus after work. But with this, even after a long, stressful day, I'm still in a great mood with no issues. And I do really like the supplement. And in terms of gym activity, I'll tell you this. Usually I would last at the gym around hour and 15 minutes max. With this, I've lasted around 2.5 hours. So my workouts have gone longer. And I do attribute that mostly to this. And I do like this. I will continue to use this. I'm not going to cycle off it, to be honest with you. I'm just going to take it for a month, see how I feel on this. And then moving on to the Terkesterone. So now let's start with this one. So I started about like 2 days ago. And first I took 1 capsule. And then that was just to see how I would feel on it, just in case any kind of like anaphylactic reactions or anything like that. But everything was fine, no problem. But I did notice one thing. I've taken it last night and today morning. For some reason, this causes me to be sleepy. I don't know about anything about related to energy like Tongkat Ali, but this one, it always gives me like a sleep cycle. Every time I take it, the first 2 times I took it, 1 capsule, I fell asleep both times. And today in the morning, I figured, I was like, let me take it in the morning and see how I feel. I took it in the morning along with my Tongkat Ali, and usually Tongkat gives me energy. But I feel like this counteracted that, and it put me to sleep at the gym. I couldn't even work out more than like 45 minutes. So I'll keep running the cycle, see how it makes me feel. But for now, that's all. Thank you, guys.